So I'm going to show you really quick where to find bank 1 and bank 2, the oxygen sensor. So if this is the front of the car. Now this setup is very common. If you have a V6, you're going to have two banks, bank 1 and bank 2. Bank 1 is usually going to be on the passenger side or the right side, and bank 2 is going to be on the left side or the driver's side. Right here would be right over where the driver sits. So let's say you have a bad bank 2 oxygen sensor. So the one up here right after the exhaust, so it's going to be bank 2 sensor 1. The one down here right on the catalytic converter, sometimes further back, is going to be bank 2 sensor 2. So basically this is bank 1. The first one is sensor 1, the second one is sensor 2. If you have like a 4-cylinder, you don't have two banks, you only have one bank. Here on the passenger side, this would be bank 1. This is pretty common, this side being bank 1, but you need to check that part. As far as the sensors, that one is always sensor 1, sensor 2. So this will be bank 1, sensor 1, bank 1, sensor 2. Okay, so that's pretty easy to identify. We get this question a lot. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.